So if you want to log into your Fiverr Messenger, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, download and install the Fiverr Messenger here. Navigate to your Google Play Store and search for the Fiverr in the search bar. And after that, here you have to install this on your device. So you have to install the Fiverr Messenger on your device. So here you can see that. Wait for the installation has been successfully completed. So once you have successfully installed the Fiverr, just tap on the open option here. And after that, here you have to just click the start now and you have to provide your number here. So you have to switch your phone number and just click the continue option. And you have to add the contact here. After that, activating your account code will be sent to your number here. You can see that the call, so you will get a call. So after that, you have to provide your name and you have to provide your date of birth here. And you can go and write your email here, valid email address, and just go and go for the practice option. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Fiverr account. So this way you can easily create or log in into your Fiverr Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to me. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.